Welcome to ETF Leaders, powered by the New York Stock Exchange. Joining me today is Dave LaValle. He is the Global Head of ETFs at Grayscale Investments. Dave, great to see you. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks, Judy. Great to be here.
So Dave, tell me, do you have a favorite ETF in your lineup?
We do have a favorite ETF. It's not an ETF yet, but we're working to launch the first ever Bitcoin ETF, spot Bitcoin ETF in the US market. So we've been working pretty feverishly on that. Grayscale is the largest digital asset manager, digital currency asset manager in the world. And so we've been spending a lot of time trying to get a spot Bitcoin product to market.
Okay. All right, so tell me, what is your big area of focus for the second half of 2022?
Yeah, so building on that, obviously there's been a tremendous amount of regulatory engagement. So we've been working a lot with the SEC to ensure that we can get the product approved. And simultaneously, or concurrently, we're also working with market participants to ensure that operationally, we're going to be ready upon approval from the SEC. This has been a conversation for the better part of the past 8 years, and for a long time, this was a story of if there could be a Bitcoin ETF, and fortunately, right now, it's when will there be a Bitcoin ETF?
Dave, what are you hearing from advisors right now?
Yeah, advisors are telling us that their clients want crypto exposure. And so they're having trouble because oftentimes the advisor platforms or the companies that they're working for don't allow for that. And so advisors are telling us, get the ETF approved, because ETFs have proven to be very strong and credible building blocks, and they're a battle-tested wrapper that do fit on advisor platforms and that are understood by their clients.
All right, and finally, Dave, how should we be thinking about crypto?
Listen, this market has been really volatile. It's been volatile for all assets. And what I tell clients is, look, have a small allocation to crypto in your portfolios. And that is a non-correlated asset. The performance over the past 10 years has been very strong. And you might not be totally comfortable with the asset class, but assets like Bitcoin have proven to be something that have grown in popularity and also been something that clients have really relied on their portfolios for something that's non-correlated. The entire market is volatile right now, but some of this pullback in crypto is an opportunity to get in.
All right, Dave, always great to talk with you.
Thank you.
And that's ETF Leaders, powered by the New York Stock Exchange.